Here comes a vehicle down the road. Holy cow, look at that. Spectacular. Oh, it's a Hopkins flag. It's a Hopkins flag. Oh, dynamite. Oh, they're coming around a second time. How great is that? Oh man, it was so good. They're coming a second time. What a beautiful vehicle. What a beautiful vehicle. Oh man, oh man. Get that flag just right. We got that flag just right. And then we'll go from that flag over to this view. Perfect view between two Trump flags. You got the Hopkins flag. You got the, I forgot what that flag is, but